Welcome to FlavorMint, your destination for delicious, easy, and exciting recipes from around the world. Today, we are going to learn how to make cottage cheese ice cream. In this video, you will discover how to turn simple cottage cheese into a creamy, smooth, and delicious homemade frozen dessert. If you enjoy discovering new and delicious recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing to FlavorMint, you will get more exciting, easy, and delicious recipe videos that you can make at home. So, let's get started and learn how to make cottage cheese ice cream. To make this delicious cottage cheese ice cream, you only need a few simple ingredients. You will need cottage cheese, honey or maple syrup, vanilla extract, and your favorite fruit. You can also add cocoa powder, peanut butter, chocolate chips, or nuts to create your favorite flavor. Start by adding the cottage cheese to a high-speed blender or food processor. Full-fat cottage cheese works especially well because it creates a rich and creamy texture. Blend the cottage cheese until it becomes completely smooth and silky. At first, the cottage cheese may look thick and slightly grainy. Keep blending for a little longer until all the curds disappear. Scrape down the sides of the blender if necessary and continue blending until you have a smooth, creamy base. Now add your sweetener. You can use honey for a naturally sweet flavor or maple syrup for a slightly richer taste. Add vanilla extract as well. Vanilla helps bring all the flavors together and gives the ice cream a delicious dessert-like aroma. Blend the mixture again until the sweetener and vanilla are completely combined. At this stage, taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness according to your preference. Now comes the fun part. You can turn this simple ice cream base into many different flavors. For a fresh and fruity version, add strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or mango. Blend the fruit into the cottage cheese mixture until smooth. If you love chocolate, add unsweetened cocoa powder and a little melted dark chocolate. Blend everything together until you have a rich and creamy chocolate ice cream mixture. For a chocolate peanut butter version, add a spoonful of creamy peanut butter along with cocoa powder. The combination creates a rich, nutty, and chocolatey flavor that is perfect for dessert lovers. Once your chosen flavor is ready, transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Use a spoon or spatula to spread the mixture evenly across the container. If you want extra texture, add some chopped nuts, chocolate chips, fresh berries, or small pieces of dark chocolate on top. Gently press the toppings into the mixture so they stay in place while freezing. Cover the container and place it in the freezer. Allow the ice cream to freeze for several hours until it becomes firm. The exact freezing time can vary depending on the container and the temperature of your freezer. When you are ready to enjoy your cottage cheese ice cream, remove it from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes. This helps soften the ice cream slightly and makes it much easier to scoop. Now scoop the creamy ice cream into a bowl or cone. Add some fresh berries, chopped nuts, chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of honey on top for an extra delicious finish. The texture should be creamy and smooth, especially when the cottage cheese has been blended thoroughly before freezing. If your ice cream becomes very firm after a long time in the freezer, simply let it soften for a few minutes before serving. One of the best things about this recipe is how easy it is to customize. You can create a strawberry cheesecake-inspired version by blending strawberries into the base and adding crushed graham crackers. You can make a banana chocolate version with ripe banana and cocoa powder. You can even create a tropical mango version by blending in fresh or frozen mango. For an even smoother texture, you can blend the mixture again after partially freezing it. This can help create a softer and creamier consistency before placing it back into the freezer. This recipe is a great option when you want to make a simple homemade frozen dessert without complicated ingredients or equipment. It is also a fun way to experiment with different flavors and toppings using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. The final result is creamy, cold, sweet, and delicious cottage cheese ice cream that you can enjoy as a refreshing homemade dessert. From fruity flavors to rich chocolate combinations, there are so many ways to make this recipe your own. So, the next time you are craving ice cream, try making cottage cheese ice cream at home. With just a few simple ingredients, a blender, and a little freezing time, you can create a delicious frozen treat that the whole family can enjoy. If you enjoyed this cottage cheese ice cream recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to FlavorMint. By subscribing, you will never miss our latest delicious and easy recipe videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you